Keep glass doors streak-free in busy commercial buildings by using a consistent, low-chemical workflow and a scheduled inspection routine. Start by removing loose dirt with a soft brush or dry microfiber cloth to prevent abrasion. Mix plain water with a tiny amount of pH-neutral cleaner only if water alone cannot cut grease. For most fingerprint and smudge removal, plain water is sufficient. Wipe one side with a wet microfiber cloth using vertical strokes, then immediately dry with a separate dry microfiber or a lint-free paper towel using horizontal strokes to catch residual moisture. Work from top to bottom and section large panels so you never let water run into seals or tracks. For very high traffic doors, perform a quick spot clean every 2 hours and a full wipe at the start and end of each shift, and include glass checks in every standard cleaning contract, so frequency does not rely on memory. Keep spare clean cloths in clearly labeled, closed containers so staff always use uncontaminated tools. The most common problems are streaks left by using a single cloth and inadequate drying, smudges from oily hands that need more than water if not removed promptly, and inconsistent cleaning frequency that lets old residues build up and resist spot cleaning. Prevent streaks by always using a separate dry cloth immediately after the wet pass and changing cloths when they feel heavy or gritty. For oily handprints, pre-treat the spot with warm water applied on a microfiber cloth and lift the oil rather than rubbing it around, then dry right away. Avoid inconsistent schedules by adding glass checks to the written scope of work in training staff to record time and condition after each cleaning so you can track whether issues are new or recurring. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who do commercial and residential glass maintenance and post real project examples so you can see results. We also connect contractors with clients and host an active discussion community where people share techniques, schedules, and product experiences.